Steve here with the 𝗏𝗓𝗠𝗓.com, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, controls, and tools and resources. Say, have you ever tried to price day porter services? You have a prospect, they call you and say, well, you know, we'll supply the equipment and supplies, we just want the labor, we want somebody 4 hours a day. Well, you know, when they do that, that makes it pretty easy to figure out what your price would be. So let me go through that for you. So here we've got 4 hours. You know, the prospects want 4 hours per day. So and it's 5 days per week. So the cleaning is done between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay. So again, they just want our labor. That's all they want. So that's what I'll figure out first, is what our labor is. Let's say I'm paying a technician $18 an hour. I have to also calculate in my taxes for that person. And then also I got to calculate in some profit. So my totally loaded weight is $26 per hour. So that's what I'm going to bill that prospect for this service. But I'm not going to bill them per hour, but I'm just going to give them one flat price. But now, since I've established my labor rate, or what my billable rate is going to be, now I can actually figure out how many hours per month we'll be cleaning this facility. So again, you got to remember, it was 4 days or 4 hours per week, and we're going to clean it 5 days per week. So that's 20 hours per week for that service. So we take our 20 hours times 52 weeks in a year, that equals 1,040 hours per year. Then we take the 1,040 hours divided by 12 months equals 86.66 hours per month. Now we'll just round that up to 87 hours per month. And then you take your 87 hours per month and multiply that by the $26 per hour, that your billable rate, that equals $2,262 per month. So that's really how simple it is to do this. So once they've established the hours, or if you've established the hours that you're going to, assign the day porter, it's a simple formula. That's all this is. So, don't make it difficult. It's real simple. Probably the hardest part here is figuring out what your actual billable rate's going to be. But once you get your numbers down there, that's also really easy. Now, if you have a location where a person wants a day porter, but yet they haven't assigned any hours to you, well, base it off the scope of work that you're going to do, and then you can assign either that day porter to work 4 hours, 6 hours, or whatever you want per shift. And maybe you might even have it to where you have 2 day porters. You have one start in the morning that does a morning shift, maybe a 2 or 3 hour shift then they come back in the afternoon, then you got your evening workers. So once you establish that, it's really easy to come up with your pricing. Now, this price of $2,262 per month, you may have to add sales tax to that depending on where you're located. If so, then you have to add sales tax to it, and then that will be your total that you would bill the prospect. So it's as simple as that. And what you'll find out is on the 𝗏𝗓𝗠𝗓.com, we actually have a proposal that is based off a day porter. So you can go in there as a member. You can go in, you can download it, and you can edit that document for whatever facility that you're doing. And the beauty of it is, once you do that, now you've got a template for your day porter service. How easy is that? You can put a proposal together in a very short period of time. And if you're not sure about your numbers, you can also use the bidding calculators on the Janitorial Store. It's going to tell you exactly what your profit and everything would be. So there's no guessing games. As long as you know your numbers, you can enter them in the calculator, and the calculator is going to tell you exactly if you're going to make money or not. If you end up with red numbers on there, that means you're in the hole. You're not going to make any profit. Green numbers means you got a profit. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully you found some value from this video, and if you did, feel free to comment and share. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click on that bell notification so you can get any notifications for new videos that we're putting out. So hopefully this did help, and thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.